Hi, my name is Aiza, and today I'm going to show you all about my tomato plant. Last week we planted it, and now it's growing. So normally it's just growing. After a few weeks we fed it water, and it was going small to medium. And after a few weeks, they'll be very, very tall. When the plant grows bigger, we'll dig it in that pile of mud. And then, soil, and they'll just grow. Like a sunflower. And we'll have lots of tomatoes. Let's count how many tomato plants are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 tomato plants. So normally the seeds, when the water comes in, normally heals it, and then they start to crack open, and then when it cracks open, the plant starts growing to small, to medium, to giant. I'm very excited about my plants until they grow bigger because of Jack and the Beanstalk. Jack and the Beanstalk was made by a plant, and I thought it was by a tomato plant. So when it gets bigger and fatter, I'll climb it up. That was my update of planting video from last week when we did it, and I had to show you my plant. I couldn't show it straight away because it won't just grow naturally, straight away. That's all for today. I hope you keep on learning. Never stop. Bye!